Let's talk about focusing your camera, focusing on your subject matter. The outermost ring on the DSLR is usually where the focus is. The idea is that when you focus on something, you bring it up to where you think it's in focus, and then you go through it a little bit and go out of focus in the other direction, and then come back and focus. It's called going through focus. You don't just come up and think you're in focus. Go past where you think it's in focus and then bring it back. If your outer ring doesn't move, it means you're in autofocus. If you're in autofocus, this ring is locked and a servo motor is going to be controlling it. So we go back into manual, and it allows you to freely focus. To focus a zoom lens, you would zoom in as close as you can. Say it's here, but if you go all the way in, then you focus on your subject, and then you bring out the zoom. And therefore, you know you're in focus on that object that you want to be in focus on. It's critical that you check your focus in playback when you're done. So when you've taken a picture, you'll look at it. It looks like it's in focus on this screen, but maybe when you zoom in, it might be out of focus. So up at the top here are two little symbols with the magnifying glasses. And I'm going to go to the plus symbol and start zooming in on my image. And then I've got these little left and right joystick kind of thing. I can zoom in on my image and take a critical look and see that it looks in focus. Touching the trigger will go back into shooting mode.